Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your default search engine. Sometimes your default search engine is being updated by some add-ons or softwares that you install on your PC, and before you know, your search engine is being updated or changed, and sometimes you could find it very hard to change. Now for instance, now when I type money here or movies, as you can see, my default search engine right there is Yandex, and I didn't actually set this in this browser, so something changes perhaps. Sometimes it could be add-on, it could be software you install, and sometimes it could be some virus that is trying to change all these things. So what you want to do right now is that you want to go for the three dot icon over here, then you want to click on setting. Now when you're on setting, you want to click on search engine over here. So when you search engine, you can see it's telling me a new tab search is controlling this setting. Now I want to disable this first of all because I don't want that. And you can see search engine that I've used before. I have Google, I have DuckDuck, I have Bing, I have Yahoo. You can easily make it here as Google. But now when you go to manage search engine, you can see you have so many options there. You can even add a new search engine of your choice. So if you want to add a new search engine of your choice, all you have to just do is click on add. So when you add a new search engine of your choice, it's going to automatically change your search engine. But right now I'm using Chrome as my default. As you can see, it's already my default here. It's google.com. So this is how to change your default search engine in Chrome. Look at this other search engine, CDN. So I don't want this. I could even delete this because I don't want this. You can even make YouTube your default search engine. So many possibilities that you can set up. Now let's check if this is working right now. Let's type movies again, and let's see. You can see now I have my default search engine is now Chrome. As you can see, so this is how to change your default search engine in Chrome. If you're on this channel for the first time, kindly click like this video, then click subscribe button to get access to more of my interesting and life-changing videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.